So in this video, we are going to resume the session of file handling. Let's see how we can convert any file into a zip file. Okay, so let's do it. For that, we need a module here. Import zip file module. Okay. Inside that we have multiple functions are there which we are going to use to zipping the file. So which file I want to zip? Let's talk about that. So here in the current working directory, we have multiple functions, we have multiple files are there. So I want to zip this triple b dot txt file. I want to zip it. Okay, let's see how we can do this. So I'm using here inside the zip file module, I have a function called zip file. By using this one, I'm able to zip any file. So first of all, to convert any file into zip file, we have a folder of a .zip file where we can zip all that thing. Okay, like suppose I have multiple files are there. Okay, I want to zip everything, so we need a file where we need a folder where we can zip all these things into a single unit. So let's see how we can do this. So that folder name, I first of all we need to create the folder name. Is I'm using here my zip file, any name you can take. I'm using a my zip file dot zip extension is important here. And because I'm creating this file, I'm using here W mode. Okay, let's store it into a variable called X, any variable name you can take. Now, inside that here you can create this folder into a particular location also. I'm using the current working directory. When I'm going to run this code, you can see here, no error, and it creates this folder in my current working directory. See, my zip file. Inside that folder, I want to zip multiple files. First of all, a single file I want to zip. So X dot a write function because I want to zip the files inside that folder. So I want to zip this triple b dot txt file inside it, and to store everything, save everything, I'm using here close function. Let's see. So here, okay, no error. Now you can see after zipping this file, you can see it converts into 1 KB. Let's put some more file inside it. So this QWERTY file also I want to zip inside it. Okay, just copy it again. Control C and V, and this time I want to zip my qwerty.mp4 file. I think this is the one. Let me check one. Yes, it is an mp4 file. Okay, this is also I want to zip inside it. Let's do it. Run this code and you can see it is also zipped inside it here. Okay, now the next thing is after zipping all these things inside it, how we can extract it. Okay, this is how we can zip it. Let's see how we can extract all the files. Okay, so I'm going to comment everything from here. Now I have this file in my current working directory and I want to unzip it. Okay, so we can do it like this. From this zip file module, I have a function called zip file. Which file you want to unzip? That same my zip file dot zip I want to unzip. Okay, now the next thing is to let me store into a variable called a, any variable name you can take. Now a dot, we have a function called extract all. Okay, by which you can extract it. So extract all. Now where you want to extract, either you can extract in the same location or you can extract into a particular location also. Suppose I want to extract it in any other location like this. I want to extract it here in this new folder. Okay, let's copy it. Inside the Python, I want to extract it. Okay, Control C. And here I want to extract. Okay, let's run this code. So you're getting one Unicode error. We can apply here R. We can extract in the same location also, but I'm not doing it. Let me tell you why. First of all, you can see triple V and QWERTY is here, which is extracted. First of all, why I'm not using the same location? It is because of in the same location, we already have both of these files. So if we extract it, we are unable to see the difference. Okay, so that's why I'm using a different location here. This is how you can extract any, you can zip any file, you can unzip any file. Okay, you can zip any list also, in tuple also, in data type also. Let me show you. Suppose if I have a file here, if I have a list here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another list is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Suppose I have these two files, these two lists, and I want to zip both of the elements. Okay, so that means I want to create a structure like this. So I want to zip 1 and 6 together. I want to zip 2 and 7 together, and so on. These pair I want to create. So that we can do by using zip function, zip function. Okay. So we can do it like this. Zip A1 and A2. That is possible like this. Okay. Now let's store into a variable called Z. Let me print the value. So print Z. Okay, now run this code and you can see the output here. We are getting a Unicode error. Let's comment everything like this. Let me use single line comment. Let's see. So it creates one object. Basically, after zipping everything, it creates multiples of the elements. So we need to store anything into a collection of elements. I'm using again a list here. Run this code once again. And now you can see it creates this kind of data 162738 and so on. So this is how you can zip it also directly. Okay. Now what will happen if I'm using here? Okay. So this is how you can do this. Okay. And after zipping it, you can see here when I'm going to run this code, you can see it zip everything inside it. Okay. Now after that, you can apply a loop and you can add each and every element one by one and all. Lots of things you can apply here. Okay. So let me show you. Suppose I want to extract everything from here. So we can do it like this. For ij for each and every element in this Z, I want to print the value of I and j. Okay. Run this code. And you can see here 1627384950. Suppose I want to add both of the elements like 167729831 and so on. So this is also possible like this. See, element validation you can do like this. Okay, so these things directly you can do by using zip function. I hope file handling how we can do is clear to each and everyone in Python. In the next module, we'll do some more things. Thank you so much.